abide in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. And lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them, and the glory of the Lord shone round about them, and they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them,
Fear not,
Fear not,
fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings.
good tidings
Good tidings of great joy,
of great joy,
which shall be to all people.
which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And this shall be a sign unto you. Ye shall find the babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying
in the manger.
and suddenly there was within them a multitude of the heavenly hosts, praising God and saying, Glory to God in the highest,
And earth peace.
goodwill toward men. And it came to pass, as the angels were gone away from them into heaven, the shepherds said one to another, Let us now go, even unto Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Yes, Bethlehem, and see these things, which shall come to pass, which the Lord hath made unto us. And they came with haste, and found Mary and Joseph and the babe lying in the manger. Luke chapter 2, verse 8 to 16.